What's up, guys? So what we got going on is I'm gonna try to fix my grinder. I ran it on my pipeline welder back when I used to have that welder. I sold it a while back. It was just a straight DC Lincoln SA200. This grinder, I thought I could run AC and DC, but apparently you can't. And I guess I burnt the brushes. I don't really know. So I'm gonna take it apart real quick, see what might be the problem, and see if I can order some parts for it and get it fixed. Well, I think I already found the problem. Well, I should not be running that on DC power. I do think I might be able to fix it though. Maybe. I'm not sure. Because I really like this grinder and I don't want to throw it away. I could probably buy a new trigger. I bet. That just fried that thing, didn't it? Well, luckily this has still got some numbers on the backside that I can read. So let's see if we can get some parts ordered. I think I want to see if this thing actually works before I order any parts. So I've got it plugged in. Do not recommend doing this at home. Well, it works. Ain't nothing wrong with it, just needs a new switch. So let's get that unplugged so nobody gets hurt. Alright, so we got the new parts for the grinder. After 2 weeks of waiting, I paid for next day shipping, or 2-day shipping actually. Ordered it exactly 2 weeks ago today, but luckily they gave me a refund. So yeah, I shouldn't have waited so long, but it is what it is. So this is the old one. I don't even think this sticks. Yeah, but as you can tell, it's fried. And let's see, that's the new one. Perfect, exactly what I needed. Works perfectly. And I got 2 of them, but hopefully I never need this one. So let's get it back together. Alright, check this out. These are pretty cool. I actually just bought these. I have never used these before. Kind of skimmed over the instructions, so I don't exactly know what to do with them, but pretty self-explanatory, I suppose. I think this is like a wire stop. You can set how deep you want your wire to go. I don't remember what this one's for. For the thickness of the wire, maybe? I don't really know. But let's get started. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. So, this portion goes like this. Okay. Now, this one, I actually don't know how this works. I have no clue. It was already broken. Alright, so the way it looks to me is you have the screw hole here, and you have this where you put the hot wire. That's where it connects. And then I guess this piece here, you can't see it, but it kind of pushes in. I think that's where this is supposed to go. So the problem with that is that this doesn't really have enough power to push in. It just bends. So what we'll do to solve that is we'll solder that in just a little bit to stiffen it up a little bit. If I can find any solder. Haha, I found some solder. Alright, so now we're hot enough to put a ball on the end of this. No, we might be better off. It's a little warm. Oh, that's better. What am I doing? I'm fixing this. Let's see if it worked, or if I'm gonna electrocute myself. Ready? Nice. Alright, well, it's fixed. This is my favorite grinder. That's why I opted to fix it than to buy another one. This grinder has done me a lot of good. And it doesn't deserve to just be thrown away because I ran it how it shouldn't be. So, yeah, until the next time.